Hey, how's it going, guys? So if you're new to this channel, I would like you to kill, murder, and smash that little subscribe button, and also ring that bell notification, because whenever I drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna always get notified. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how I hacked epicgames.com, okay, V-Bucks. I've created a brand new Epic account because I don't want to try this out on say my real Epic account, and I don't want to get banned. Okay, so as you can see, I've created a brand new Epic ID. Okay, alright, and I've already verified the account, and now I'm gonna use this website, which is bitrefill.com. so as you can see here, I have my rewards. Alright, I have 71,000 SATs, okay, SATs. Alright, and when I click on it, it is estimated at $14. Alright, here next I'll select Fortnite V-Bucks, and I'm gonna add, say for example, 1,000 V-Bucks. I'm gonna click add to cart, hit checkout, and here I'm gonna click my reward balance. Okay, and I'm gonna click confirm payment. Alright, so as you can see right here, order completed, thank you for your and now if I click on sale, I'm gonna get the code. Alright, so I'm gonna copy the code, I'm gonna open a brand new notepad, and I'm gonna paste the code. Okay, so as you can see, this is a valid Fortnite code which has 1,000 V-Bucks. Okay, it has 1,000 V-Bucks, and this is a code, right? This is a gift card code. Alright, so now all I gotta do is to paste the gift card code right here. Okay, so let's visit this page. Alright, so right here where it says redeem your V-Bucks card, okay, I'm gonna click get started, and instead of this, okay, instead of the real code, I'm gonna remove the, let's say, the X, and I'm gonna add like an A. Then what I'm gonna right click anywhere on the page, I'm gonna inspect element. Okay, from here I'm gonna go to network. Okay, if you have like something like that, if it's something like this, you're gonna click this and dock to bottom. Okay, dock to bottom, and then click make sure that it is you check preserve log and disable cache, and now go to network, and now simply just click next, and let's see what will happen. Okay, here now, here as you can see the status, we've got error, success false, okay, card not found. Okay, and this is the API. Alright, this is the API for checking V-Bucks code. Alright guys, so now we're gonna use the same API, and we're gonna manipulate this API. As you can see, status 404. Okay, so we're gonna use the same API. We're gonna manipulate this API to make us a Fortnite V-Bucks code generator and checker. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this URL. Watch carefully. Okay, I'll copy link address. Right click on this status, copy link address. I'm gonna open any of my Silver Bullet, Open Bullet, Cyber Bullet, or whatever. If you're in Python, or if you wanna do this on C++, C#, or whatever programming language that you're using, okay, you may proceed. But since I'm a config maker, okay, I've dealt with many configs before, and I know what I'm doing here. Alright, so I'm gonna go to configs, I'm gonna click new, and as you can see in here, I'm gonna write V-Bucks. Okay, V-Bucks code gen plus checker. Okay, something like that. Checker, oh my god, yeah, checker. Hit accept, and now I'm gonna create a post request. So I'm gonna call this API. Okay, I'm gonna paste the URL in the post URL. I'm gonna change the method from get to post. Next, I'm gonna leave the response headers, but I'm gonna take the request headers, and I'm gonna copy all of them. Okay, all of it including the cookies as well. Okay, because in the cookies here, in the cookie right here, in the cookie response headers, we have a token ID, so you'll have to copy that token as well, and the epic device. Otherwise, this thing that you're trying to create, it will not work. Okay, so I'm gonna copy from this scheme HTTPS all the way down. Okay, Control the C to copy, and then in my software right here, I'm gonna paste all of that in here in the custom headers right here. Okay, and now you can see that here for the content type here, the application /JSON charset UTF -8. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it right here instead of the www form URL encoded. All right, next I'm gonna go to the payload. Okay, the request payload, which is our form data. I'm gonna click view source, and then I'm gonna copy this code right here. I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, for now I'm gonna paste it right here. All right, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna change this. I believe this is a 16 digits. Okay, this is a 16 digits code. All right, now I'm gonna go to response. Okay, here as you can see, I get this errors.com epic games got not found. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go create a key check, failure key check first. I'm gonna make something like this, then I'm gonna copy this error code, and then I'm gonna copy this as well, success false. Okay, remove the bracket, and lastly I'm gonna add 404. Okay, so as you can see, status code 404. And now this instead of source, I'm gonna make it to response code. Okay, and now I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna, for success, I'm gonna paste this here, and I'm gonna change the false into true. Okay, the false into true. All right, and now let's say I'm gonna do that. Okay, so let's say now I'm gonna copy the real address and I'm gonna paste it in here, and let's see what will happen. Okay, let's see what will happen. I'm gonna hit next. Okay, see, boom. All right, here, what do I get, guys? You can see status code 200. Okay, payload, blah blah blah. Now I'm gonna copy all of that here. I'll copy all of that. I'm gonna paste it right here, and now I'm gonna use this as success. Okay, as you can see here, success through. Okay, success through. I'm gonna paste it right here, and as you can see, offer ID. If the God says this offer ID, it's gonna go to success. Okay, like this. And now to post this ID, you can do that. Here you can see title got 1000 V-Bucks. Okay, so if you want to add this as captures, all right, so here let me find a good captures. Okay, here's a code. All right, so this is a code, guys. All right, so maybe I'm gonna copy this code. I'm gonna paste it right here, and this is a code. All right, so basically, well, this is a code, right? Paste, and I'm gonna take is capture because I wanted to capture the Fortnite V-Bucks code. Okay, so this is a valid code, guys. Okay, this right here. So let me see that title. Okay, got. Alright, so far so good. Hold on a second. Alright, so this is a title, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna add a description right here. Description. I'm gonna take is capture, and now instead of right here, instead of the A, I'm gonna remove the A and add X, and let me see what will happen. When I check, I should get success code. As you can see, this is a valid code, and I should get a description code 1000 V-Bucks. And now if I remove the X and I replace it with a A, all right, I should get fail, bot status fail. Okay, why is that? Because it has found code not found. Okay, so yeah, next here you can see this. You're gonna create a utility file at the end, and then you're gonna create file append lines. Here you're gonna save it as Fortnite V-Bucks VBucks code. All right, and all you gotta do is to paste this code right here, code. Okay, so far so good. And before that, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna say like something like config by my name, which is Yashvia Gaming. So this one is a valid code, right? So this one right here is a valid code. Okay, next, so this one is an invalid code. All right, so let's count it. So it has 2, 4, let's say I'm gonna unhide all of this. I'm gonna hide all of it. I'm gonna create a function. I'm gonna create a random string. Okay, here a random string. I'm gonna call this as code. Okay, code or something. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, 7. Okay, so 7 is digits. Okay, so for 4 digits we're gonna write it like this, question mark D. That will turn the D into digits. And now for this one, the H capital, it's question mark U. Okay, question mark U once again, and then question mark D for the 8, question mark U for the Z, question mark U for the T right here, question mark U again for the Z, and question mark D for the 4, D for this 2, and question mark U for the D capital letter, and question mark D. I'm gonna cut all of that. I'm gonna paste it here, and when I click start, it should generate me a 16 digits code. Okay, and now when I click start, it should give me success. It should capture the code, and it should say the description.